Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogwene. This applet I designed is on statistics. So I just did this applet as a kind of summary of basic statistics in our classroom. When you are teaching statistics, you just want to confirm certain answers, or you give classwork to your student. You just want to get your answer, like a kind of quiz or something like that. You can use this applet to do some work for your student in your classroom, and it will be easy for you to check your answers without solving and be confirming. For example, you can see the summary of what I have here. So list of data. So this is where you input your statistical data for your student to find whatever you want. If you input your numbers here, you may want them to get the number of data. So this one you input it yourself. So I didn't program it to come out automatically here. So if you put in 10 numbers, which is your number of terms or number of items in the statistical numbers you have to analyze, so you just put in your 10 here. Then you may want to sum this statistical number, especially when you want to get your mean. The way of getting mean, you sum all the numbers here, divide by how many numbers they are. That's your mean, which is like the average, which is the average of the numbers. Alright, so if you need to get the sum, just click on this show button here. See, nothing is being imputed, so it's 0. That's why it shows 0 here. Then show your mean, see question mark, because nothing has been imputed, so there's no mean to show. The same thing here, show your median, show your mode. Everything will just come out the way you want it. Whatever value you are looking for, the minimum value, the maximum value, so that you can subtract them to get your range, the highest minus the lowest, that is the range, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, the interquartile range, then semi-interquartile range, percentile. Then when you click on the percentile, you see a slider comes out, because percentile, we need to know the particular percentile you have to calculate. Understand? So you just click on the slider to move to the particular percentile you need, maybe the 100th percentile, the 50th percentile, 75th percentile, 25th percentile, just like that. You move the slider. So you're moving the slider, you see the percentile is changing here. So just like that. So that is a percentile, the variance, standard deviation, mean deviation. Then if you want to show your frequency table, depend on your work with your student, just click here. The frequency table will appear here. Alright, let me do a simple demonstration. Let me take a simple numbers like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me take these numbers. For example, you have a set of numbers like this. I say, now what is the sum of these numbers, which is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. So if you click on show sum, see 15 will appear. So that is how this applet works. So that is that. Then how many are there? There are 5 numbers, so you need to impute this yourself. Just type the 5 there. So this is the 5 numbers. So that means the mean is going to be 15 divided by 5. So that's what will give you the mean, and so the mean here is going to be 3. So just click on show mean. The mean is 3. Then you know median and the one at the middle when you arrange from smallest to highest. So median is actually 3 in this question. Just click on median. See, it appears. Then mode. There is no mode in this question because there's no number that appear most here. So if you click, see no mode. So mode did not show anything here. But if you want, let me put something here. If I put 4 here, mode will change to 4 now, because 4 appear most here. If you click on mode, the mode is now 4. So that is that. You can even see it changed the mean and the median. So the median now changed, no longer 3 as the former one. So let me remove this. Okay. Alright. And whenever you are listing your number, use comma to separate the numbers. Very, very important. Please take note of that. So mode, there's no mode. The minimum value there is 1. The maximum value there is 5. Then range is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. That's range. Then the lower quartile, you can calculate it. The upper quartile, you can get it. Interquartile range, you can get it. Semi-interquartile range, you can get it. Percentile, depend on the percentile you want to calculate. Just move the slider You know, 1% is going to be 1, 100 percentile is going to be 5. You know, that is how we do percentile. Then in between, you can now start getting your percentile between 1 to 5. So just move this slider, you start getting your various percentile you need to calculate. So that is percentile. Then if it's variance, you need to click on it. Your variance will show, standard deviation it will show, mean deviation it will show. Please take note, before you can get the mean deviation, always impute this number here. For example, let me remove this. See, mean deviation did not appear. So it is being designed so that for you to get your mean deviation, you must tell us the number of items here, impute it first before you get your mean deviation. So mean deviation is 1.2. Then if you wish to know, to see the frequency table of the numbers you have imputed, just click show frequency table. See, it will appear here. You can easily analyze it. Even in teaching frequency table, you can actually use it to teach your student frequency table. 1 appear 1 times, 2 appear once, 3 appear once, just like that, 4 appear once. So this is all about the applet. Impute your numbers here. Then impute, let me put random number like 2, let's say 2, 6, 4, 4, 4, 8, 9, 7, 10. If you impute numbers like this, so you can see it has calculated everything for you. So whatever one you want, just impute it here. You can see that 4 appear 3 times. So in the frequency table, 4 is 3. Let me take this 6 out. Okay, let me leave it 6, 6, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5. Let me leave it like this. So if you check, it has done the frequency for you. 5 appeared 3 times, which is 1, 2, 3. 4 appears 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 appears 4 times. You can see it. 6 appears 1, 2, 3 times. So 6 appears 3 times. 7 is 2, 1, 2. Just like that. Every other calculation has been done. Standard deviation, mean deviation. No, mean deviation here will not be correct because I didn't put the actual number of data there. How many data here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 numbers here. So put the actual result here. So since I've put the actual number of data here, so the mean deviation is actually 2. So take note of this applet, very important applet. To get this applet, go to the description of the video, click on the description link you have there, click on it, download this applet, use it anytime in your classroom to demonstrate basic statistics with your student to get your result, and that is that. So that is all about this applet. I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy watching this video. So do have a nice day and take care.